Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete websites on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from. And from there, you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to delete websites. And if you want to do that, simply click on My Sites here on the left panel. And once you click there, make sure to click on Manage Sites on the site that you would like to delete. Once you click on that, simply go into the Settings option on this panel right here. Once you click on it, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find this Delete Site. As you can see, this will delete all of your website files permanently. If you click on delete, as you can see, this action cannot be undone. So if you delete your website, you cannot get it back. You will have just to go and create one from the beginning. They are telling you, are you sure you want to delete the site? All the files will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. For me, I'm not going to click on delete, but for you, if you want to delete it, click on delete and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.